Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable text suggestions as you type globally in Windows 10. This feature can greatly enhance your typing experience and help you save time. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. First, click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then select Settings from the menu that appears. Step 2. In the Settings menu, find and click on the option labeled Devices. This will open a new window with various device settings. Step 3. Once you're in the Devices menu, click on Typing from the left side menu. This will take you to the typing settings. Step 4. Now scroll down to the section titled Hardware Keyboard. Here you'll find a toggle switch labeled Show Text Suggestions as I Type. To enable the Suggestions feature, simply toggle the switch to the right. Once enabled, you'll start seeing text suggestions as you type across all applications and programs in Windows 10. And that's it. You've successfully enabled text suggestions as you type globally in Windows 10. By enabling this feature, you'll not only save time, but also improve your typing accuracy. The text suggestions will intelligently predict and offer suggestions for words and phrases as you type, making your typing experience more efficient. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials.